What's up, data? So let's do a complete updated analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see on the lower time frame, we can find significant trading opportunity on gold. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade gold. First of all, let's see the bigger picture monthly time frame. As you have seen in all my analysis, this is what exactly I mentioned, that gold has broken this monthly level of support and it is likely to drop further. Looks like that gold is doing exactly according to the analysis. Now, if we recap that, what we see that gold in fact has broken this very important historical monthly level of support, which is support here, and also support here, acting here as resistance. Now, this level, this support zone has been penetrated. This current monthly candle created a lower high with the previous monthly candle, and we have seen that strongly rejected to the downside. Now, at this point, what we can expect that gold to continue to drop. Now, if we look at overall picture in the history in the past, what we see is the same kind of price action, almost exactly same kind of double top with a lower high, and we have seen that gold has broken a strong drop, and we have seen that there was a big move happen afterwards. The same thing is being repeated. You can see that same kind of price action. Now we have seen gold has broken out of this level of support. That means that we can expect now a bigger move on gold in this direction with the higher time frame perspective. Now, to take that advantage of this drop, let's look at lower time frame to see where we can find an entry opportunity. Now, as you can see on the weekly perspective, gold, the price action is clean and strongly bearish. With this double top formation, gold has broken down correction. So every month, every week, we see the prices creating series of lower high and lower low. Now, at this point, what we can expect now, this is the weekly candle, as you can see, which has created a very strong bearish price action current week after the retracement to the upside, tested this bottom of this long candle, this support tested as a resistance, and we have seen a rejection. Now, at this point, what we can expect now, gold at least to come back down to create a new lower low that can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now, looking at the daily, you can see on the daily time frame, after this liquidity gap, gold has broken down correction. Now it is in another strong impulsive phase. Now, if we find the nearest level of support on gold with this long green candle, if we draw this level of support, what we can expect at some point, gold to go up and test this support as a resistance and to have a rejection that can give us another selling opportunity whenever the price is testing that level. Now, on the intraday perspective, we see that after this big drop, there is a correction with this green candle. Now the gold is dropping again. Now, with that strong drop, there are two possibilities. Now, is not to test this level at all and then to have another strong drop, or the price to go ahead and test this level again as a resistance. So then how will be approaching gold? What I think that this is the current session candle, as you can see, which is still 3 hours to go. In the lifetime of this candle, if we see that this current 4 hour candle could not break this green candle, as you can see in this big move, there is this green candle is in fact a liquidity grab as well. If we see that there is a trend line here that has been broken, if we draw this one here, what we see that gold just below this level with this green candle. Now, if this red candle current one is not breaking this high, this channel, what I think that gold may have an immediate drop from here to the downside, and that is what I will be waiting for potential setup. If we see that gold couldn't break this high, we find a suitable price action pattern for shorting, we'll consider shorting gold from here according to the rules of our strategies. This is the first setup. On the other hand, if we see that gold has broken this level in this current session, has gone up, then this could be the zone, another zone where we can find potential shorting setup. As you can see, there is a 20 period moving average on the 4 hour, and also this is the level that is on the daily previous support zone, which is acting as a resistance. These are the two zones that we will be targeting for a potential short setup with our students with a high probability trade. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button. And also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.